Hey everybody, I'm Sandy Buller, and I'm going to be doing another one of my whiskey reviews. And I appreciate you checking in on my channel, YouTube, and looking at my whiskey reviews. Sometimes I do rye, and sometimes I do. I haven't done any scotches yet, but I believe this is like the 9th one. Number 9. 9. Or that. So, let's get started. I know it's nighttime. I usually do this in the afternoons, but day went by. So, we'll get this. That's my cup. And I do like to do 1 or 2 pieces of ice, 3 pieces of ice today. How about that? 3 pieces of ice. And you want to know what I'm going to be reviewing, right? Well, it's right here. My brown paper sack that I get at the liquor store. I got this from C&D Liquors, Patterson, Texas. If you're in Patterson, go by C&D Liquors on FM 359, just north of Patterson, Texas. So, we are reviewing Knob Creek. And it is a small batch, aged 9 years. So 9 years for the 9th review. How about that? It's 100 proof. Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. Can you say whiskey? I thought that you could. And I went into the store to look for the rye. Knob Creek rye. My friend Jim was drinking Rob.
Don't be talking about shaft.
Knob Creek rye this past weekend. I was real jealous, and I was thought I'm gonna give me some rye too, but they didn't have none, so I had to opt with this. But this is the Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey, 100 proof, small batch, aged 9 years. Let's get to it. Pull this black, waxy stuff off the top, and I always do this. Listen. I always like to listen. Get a little closer so you can hear it too. Woo! There's a little pop. Look. Oh, yeah. I hear you. Woohoo! So, let's pour this in here like so. Maybe a little bit more. It's late. Maybe just a tad bit more. It's really late. Alrighty. Put that like so. Right there. I can smell it. Ooh-wee, that's a nice smell of that Kentucky bourbon whiskey. You know what it is. I know what it is. It's 100 proof. Probably light this on fire. Woo! That's good smelling. So, here we go. Here's to Jim up in Michigan. It ain't rye, but it's bourbon whiskey. Ah. Ooh, that was very pleasant. It just rolled over the tongue into my throat, down in my gullet. I felt it though. But it was warm and good feeling, and like it didn't hang up anywhere on the sides, you know, like causing blisters and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. It was good. This ain't bad whiskey. It ain't the best whiskey, but it ain't bad. It's pretty good whiskey, I'd say. My old friend would say it's pretty good if you like it, and pretty bad if you don't. Yeah. Knob Creek, Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. Small batch and aged 9 years. 100 proof. It's good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Cheers.